Hi, folks. Lee Gettess here with the market sense for the week of November 20th, 2012. The charts in the presentation come from the Trade Navigator software. First chart is a weekly bond market, and bonds had a little tiny week last week. You can see how small this is in relation to the rest of the weeks on the chart, really. And so breaking down out of that is pretty significant. They couldn't hold in this area. They're now down in the 150.12 area, and there's a possibility that that could be support. More likely they go down to where both the mid-Keltner channel and the lower moving average are, which is right in the 149 area. Of course, is kind of a partial week, so they may not get that much. But this breakdown out of this small range bar like that is probably significant. Should probably continue for roughly 3 to 5 weeks on average. But coming into the end of the year, that's a little dicey to predict that, but it should be significant. I wouldn't necessarily expect this support here to hold, but because of the holiday trading situation, it's possible it could. Now, in stocks, we have just the opposite situation, of course. They reversed last Friday, and they have spent this week working back up, and they're right at some important resistance that's, let's call it a test of the 1390 area right there at the midpoint. If they can get going higher, and there is a tendency for them to rally into Thanksgiving, not huge, but there is a tendency, they might reach up to the 1415 area up here at the upper moving average, or the previous swing is in the 1430 area. Heck, they could be all the way up into 1460. Any of these is possible. I mean, I think sometime before the end of the year there will be a rather substantial rally, although I don't know that that's good. I mean, I think that might be a last gasp, but of course some of it depends on what happens with this fiscal cliff talk in Congress. Now, giving you all these numbers, they're going to trade all day Wednesday, but then not trade Thursday and only have a half day Friday. So clearly this isn't a great time to be establishing any major positions. We'll just have to see how they shake out, and hopefully they're still somewhere in the similar zip code starting next week. So that's what we've got for you. I hope you can find something profitable to get yourself into, and if not, at least be thankful for what you got on Thursday. Thanks for checking in with us.